Hi y'all, we're going to do another function check of the Robbe PT15. Since I lost my original superstructure, I had to scratch build one. So let's make sure everything works, shall we? There she sits. That entire superstructure I had to build from scratch since this boat's been out of production for umpteen years. And it was work. I'd never scratch built in plastic before, and it turned out okay, I think. So, as of right now, we have our throttle. We have rudder. I don't know if you can see it or not. We have forward gun, aft gun, and we can also link the guns. Now like that. Now, let's play with the lights. Let me go turn some lights off real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off a few lights. Trying not to bounce my kneecap off the studebaker while I'm doing it. Ha! Ow, and I did. Ow. Thing's solid. Okay, and this is gonna get dark real fast. So I gotta find my transmitter. There it is. Let's go with nav lights. The nav lights working. Mast light. Mast light working. Uh-oh, uh-oh, red alert, red alert. General quarters, general quarters. General quarters light works. If you can see that or not. Turn it off again. And the 3-volt bulb and 6 volts searchlight, which isn't going to last very long at that rate, but it sure looks bright, nice and bright. So everything's working. In fact, I'm going to turn off the other lights and play around with this general quarters thing. No, wrong switch. Oh yeah, you can see it. General quarters, this is no drill. Here we go. That's a lot of fun. So, I'm turn the lights on before I break my neck. I said, let me turn the lights on before I break my neck. There we go. And that's it. I had lost the superstructure due to a couple of errors on my part. I've been building boats a few years now, but now I know how to ballast like a tugboat or something, but I didn't think about this thing. It's a planing hull. Well, a couple of different things going on. It was designed for an 8-cell pack originally. Running a Robbe Navy compact drive with a brush setup with a big freaking prop on it. Geared about 3 to 1. And I decided to up the power a little bit because it just didn't seem like it was planing well. And I knew it might be out of balance, but for some reason I put it in the back of my mind. I said, well, more power will help. Yeah, let's just redneck it, more power. So I had more power, and she rose up and torqued over when I hit the throttle, and I didn't get out of it fast enough. And when I went to try to turn, she still went planing well. She dug in, spun around, and flung the superstructure off the middle of the lake. It is now a home for baby catfish. So, to that end, I've put better magnets up front. I've put a very, I don't know if you can see it in this, there we go. A little pin, a locating pin in the back. You can lift the boat by that pin. So, it should be better than it was. And everything seems to be working like it's supposed to. I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't want to consign this thing to the scrapyard. I have too much work into it, and you just can't find these kits. And it's a good looking boat. So, anyway, it might be a while before COVID-19 allows me to get a good test run on it, simply because, I live in Collin County. They'll let you go out to a park or someplace or take a walk your dog or whatever, as long as you're not congregating. That's common sense. And I've got a couple of test ponds I can go to that I'd be the only person out there probably for blocks. But I don't want to test run this thing out by myself. In case something does happen, I want someone standing by with a recovery boat, push me in, and go from there. So this boat is dry docked until the current crisis is over, and then we'll find out what happens. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for looking, and y'all have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.